Hey folks, Photo Guy with another truck showcase for you. Coming to you live from JW Truck Sales, the largest commercial truck retailer in the Southeast, with over 350 vehicles in stock. Today on Truck Showcase, I have a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD Crew Cab Flatbed. This truck's in great shape. Interior is clean. AM/FM CD, cruise control, power door locks. This Silverado has a 6.6 liter Duramax, puts out 397 horsepower. Remember folks, we can always get you great financing options here at JW Truck Sales. Interest rates start as low as 3.75%. Zero money down, 100% financing. We have great options, no payments for 60 days. This truck has a fifth wheel, has the flatbed back, fluid transfer tank and pump. If you're interested in this great truck, come on down to 5000 Nelson Brogdon Boulevard in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Hit us up on our website at jwtrucks.com. No matter what you do, tell them Photo Guy sent you and get your best price guaranteed.